Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In this video I'm going to show you how to upload your first video. Okay, so if you're a beginner or you just want to refresh your channel, this video will help you a lot because I'm going to show you step-by-step method, beginners friendly, on how you are going to upload your first video. Okay, so now let me show you how you are going to film the video first before you start uploading. Okay, now, for you to upload your first video, this is how you're going to hold your camera, okay? Make sure you clean your camera very well before you film your first video, and you are going to hold it this way, okay? So, once you finish filming it, then you store it and edit it. You can edit with any app, be it InShot, CapCut, Ucode, Canva, anyone that you want to use to edit your video, you use it to edit it, okay? Now, for your YouTube shot, if you want to film your YouTube shot, you're going to hold it this way to film your YouTube shot, okay? Now, for those of you that don't know how to create a YouTube channel, I create this particular video here on how you are going to create your YouTube channel. Okay, so you can go and check it out and watch it. Then after watching it, you can come back to this particular video to come and know how you are going to upload your first video.
So now for you to upload your first video, you're going to click on this plus icon here. Once you click on it, you wait for it to upload. Then there are option here: video, short, live, podcast. You are going to click on video, okay? On the video here, then select the video that you want to upload. Let's select this particular video, okay? Once you select this video, you're going to click on next. So now it have show here. We are going to add. So here is our title: how to cook stew / easy and delicious recipe. Please, if you are writing your title, make sure that everything is in capital letters, like the first word. That is, I don't know whether you understand what I mean. Like, as I write how now, your H will be in capital letter, then the others is small letters, then the T will be in capital letter, then the O there will now be on small letter, then cook. Oh, I'm sorry, I made a mistake here. Let me correct it. This cook here will be in capital letter, then okay will be in small letter. I think you have understand what I mean now. So now we are going to write our description, and please make sure your title is short. Don't fill your title with a note. In fact, just make sure your title is shorter, okay? So now we are going to write our description. Let me pause it. I don't want this. So here is our description, okay? In this video I'm going to teach you how to cook stew. So if you are a beginner or you want to cook for yourself, this video is for you, okay? So I love to put smiling emoji on my video. Do you understand? So if you want to put it, you can put. If you don't want to, you can just leave it like that, okay? Now I don't know whether you observe something here. This your first line, you have to optimize your title, okay? Make sure that you put your title at the first line of your description. Do you understand? Like, how to cook stew. Do you see where it appears? Even in your second line, make sure that you put your how to cook stew there, so that your video will be properly optimized. I'm sorry that I didn't add it here, but you have to add it there, okay? You have to add it as well, okay? So now what you will learn in this video, I will show you later. Please, I don't want this video to be too long. So now let's continue from where we stop. What you will learn, this is what you're going to add on your description: how to cook the stew. Do you understand? The ingredient for a tasty stew, step-by-step instruction for cooking, tips for making your stew rich. Then conclusion: if it is the video you love, stay and also subscribe to the channel, okay? So we are done with the description now, okay? So please, if you're writing your description, make sure you put your title. That's your first title. Make sure you add it on your description. That is the word that your video will be ranking for, Okay, so now let's add our hashtags. So we are going to add our hashtags. Our hashtag will go like okay. So don't add too much tags on your video. If you add too much tags, your video will not be able to rank. Okay, and YouTube will see it as a spam. So don't add too much on your video. Now we are going to go over to public. We are going to leave it on private, okay, until we are done with the necessary things that we have to do. Okay, playlist, make sure you create a playlist. If you don't have a playlist, you do what, you create one. But for the fact this video is the first video, we haven't created a playlist. After this, we are going to create a playlist. It is easier to create a playlist. I'm also going to teach you in this channel how to create a playlist. Okay, so now allow video and audio remix. Yes, allow video and audio remix, because if your video go viral, it will help you a long way. Okay, you are going to make that particular video. Okay, now paid promotion. Does this video include paid promotion? If people paid you for creating that particular video, you said yes, it is a paid promotion. But if they didn't pay you for promoting that particular video, you said what? No. So we are going to choose no, because nobody pay us for this particular video. Unless you want to pay us for this particular video, you can chat me up. My email account is down there below. Okay, thanks so much, I love you. So now, altered content. See, if your video is an AI video, AI channel, you click on yes. Okay, if your video is not an AI channel, you click on no. Okay, now coming to comments, you have to turn your comments on, so that if you want people to comment on your video, if you don't want them to comment on your video, you turn it off. So we are going to leave it on because we allow communication in this our channel. Okay, so now we are going to click on this place, thumbnail. I forgot to put it at the initial time. So now, before you create your video, you have to create a thumbnail. Okay, oh, we haven't verified our channel, that is why you can't add our thumbnail. But if you want to add your thumbnail, you have to verify your channel. I'm also going to teach you that one later, how to verify your channel. So once you want to upload your video, you have to click here and also add your thumbnail. Okay, now you're going to click on next. Does this so guys, this is how to create your first video. Okay, so now we are going to go over to our YouTube studio to go and complete the remaining one. Okay, yeah, thank you so much for one subscriber in this channel. I so much appreciate you all. Okay, so let's go over to our YouTube studio to complete the remaining one. So now click on these three dots there. You're going to edit from there. Now after that, you click on edit. So from here now, we are going to add our tags. Our tags are remaining here. Please don't add too much tags, because if you add plenty tags there, YouTube will see it as a spam. Okay, and will not promote your video, will not push your video to a wider audience. So make sure your tag doesn't pass 12 or 13. Okay, so this is how to upload a video. Thanks so much for watching, and please